What if the human body had the power to heal itself, not just in the simplicity of a paper cut, but in the complexity of degenerative diseases, spinal cord injuries, or even heart disease? Welcome to the exciting and rapidly evolving world of regenerative medicine, a realm where science fiction meets reality and the impossible becomes possible. According to a study conducted by Next Move Strategy Consulting, the global regenerative medicine market is set to explode, reaching an estimated value of $95 billion by the year 2030. That's an impressive compound annual growth rate of 18% from now, 2024 to 2030. But what's driving this growth? The answer lies in the shift towards personalized treatments. Regenerative medicine is now tailoring interventions to individual patient needs, recognizing each person's unique genetic makeup and medical history. The aim: to create more effective and precise strategies that enhance outcomes, minimize side effects, and ultimately improve overall efficacy. However, as with any rapidly advancing field, the regenerative medicine industry faces its own unique set of challenges. The cost of developing these innovative regenerative therapies is high, ranging from hundreds of millions to billions of dollars. The reason? Increasing regulatory demands and the need for extensive research, development, and clinical trials. Yet despite these obstacles, the industry continues to push boundaries. The growing emphasis on novel gene editing tools, such as CRISPR-Cas9, offers significant opportunities, enabling the development of innovative therapies. These tools have the potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing targeted therapy for human diseases. In terms of geographic growth, the Asia-Pacific region is poised to witness the most rapid expansion within the forecast period. This growth is fueled by crucial acquisitions, such as the strategic entry of Canon into regenerative medicine through its acquisition of Kyoto Seisakusho's cell culture operations, including patented technologies. With companies like Novartis, Gilead Sciences, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Takeda Pharmaceutical Company, Verisal Corporation, and AbbVie operating in the regenerative medicine market, the future of healthcare is certainly promising. In conclusion, regenerative medicine is on an upward trajectory, with immense potential to transform healthcare as we know it today. Despite the challenges, the industry is making strides towards a future where the body's own healing powers can be harnessed to treat a range of diseases and conditions. Thank you for your time, and do stay tuned for more insights into the ever-evolving landscape of regenerative medicine.